Hello friends, welcome to Munir's Tech. Today we can check how to connect your PC, your home PC or office PC with any desk, and we can make work from home in this COVID-19 season. Okay, let's go to Google Chrome. It's a small application, it's around 3 MB size. You can just go through the Google Chrome and type download any desk. You can simply choose if you are using Mac OS, Windows OS, Chrome OS, you can choose whatever you need. I am using Windows. Just I am clicking on just downloading the application. Okay, very easy step. Now I will open my AnyDesk here. This is the AnyDesk platform. Okay, when you install the AnyDesk, you can see this disk ID. This is very important. If you are installing this AnyDesk on your office system, you should note this disk ID and you can note it your mobile phone or you can take one picture over there. Okay, you can note this disk ID. Then we can install the software for this AnyDesk. Okay, you can choose setup for unattended access. Now I am using unattended access here. I am ticking and I am setting one password for myself. Okay. Okay, now I set up my password for any desk. I choose always show incoming session request. Okay, then I keep it open any desk in my system. I didn't close. Okay, I just close all this. Okay, same like I did any desk installation on my friend computer and we can connect that computer from this PC. Now we have AnyDesk application. We can open AnyDesk here. This is my disk ID. In this remote section, you can enter your office AnyDesk ID or your home AnyDesk ID or your friend's AnyDesk ID. Right now, I am going to enter my friend AnyDesk ID. This is his AnyDesk ID 655279870. See, it is on offline right now. Maybe my friend is on offline. We need to cross check that one. This means you should open your any desk on your other end also. If you are try to connect from your office PC, that PC always should be powered on with any desk. Okay, so it's showing you should open your any desk always with the powered on computer. Now I am trying again. His PC is right now online. I am checking again. It's trying to connect. So we are entering one password over there. That password we will put here. Okay. See, my friend computer is connected right now. I can access his computer. I can see his data, everything. I can make copy, I can work. Like this, you can connect your office computer from your home. This is one entire computer. You can work Excel, anything, whatever there in your local PC, you can work from your home. In this COVID-19 season, this is very useful for you. You can use to any desk application. This is very free of cost. You can I am suggesting you there is no cost for any desk. You can install any desk. You can connect your computer from your home. So it's very easy to work from home. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. You can choose my bell icon.